Hi guys, so what I have here is a smoothie, and for a long time I used to think that this was nobler, but I showed the guys on the stunt hanger video chat and asked them what this plane was. They said it's a smoothie, so now I know it's definitely a smoothie. So I was flying this several years ago and went inverted, and the tank starved for fuel. It wasn't a wedge tank, it was a rectangular tank. And so the engine quit while it was inverted and came down and took the tail off and broke the fuselage. And I had a tear in the wing from previous mishap, so I ended up recovering this and fixing all the problems and recovering it. And I also had a pretty new McCoy redhead 35, so put that in here, and also at the same time that I was doing the rebuild. Also the rudder had quite a bit of an angle, so I straightened that out some, and so got it recovered and fixed up and ready to fly again. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks guys.